संक्षेप में, इन ब्रीफ, इन ब्रीफ। संक्षेप में दिन अच्छा था। इन ब्रीफ इट वॉज ए गुड डे। इन ब्रीफ इट वॉज ए गुड डे। सबसे बढ़कर, एबव ऑल, एबव ऑल। सबसे बढ़कर हार मत मानो। एबव ऑल नेवर गिव अप। एबव ऑल नेवर गिव अप। सामान्य तौर पर, इन जनरल, इन जनरल। सामान्य तौर पर लोगों को संगीत पसंद है। इन जनरल पीपल लाइक म्यूजिक। In general, people like music. अंत में, in conclusion, in conclusion. अंत में हमें फिर कोशिश करनी चाहिए। In conclusion, we should try again. In conclusion, we should try again. दूसरे मामलों में, इन अदर केसेस, इन अदर केसेस। दूसरे मामलों में नियम बदल जाता है। इन अदर केसेस द रूल चेंजेस। इन अदर केसेस द रूल चेंजेस। इस तरह, इन दिस वे, इन दिस वे। इस तरह तुम जल्दी सीखोगे। इन दिस वे यू कैन लर्न फास्टर। इन दिस वे यू कैन लर्न फास्टर। शुरुआत में, टू बिगेन विथ, टू बिगेन विथ। शुरुआत में चलो अपना परिचय दे। टू बिगेन विथ, लेट्स इंट्रोड्यूस आवर सेल्व्स। To begin with, let's introduce ourselves. उसी कारण से, for that reason, for that reason. मैं उसी कारण से जल्दी चला गया। I left early for that reason. I left early for that reason. जैसा पहले कहा गया, as mentioned earlier, as mentioned earlier. जैसा पहले कहा गया, हम कल मिलेंगे। As mentioned earlier, we will meet tomorrow. As mentioned earlier, we will meet tomorrow. मेरी नज़र में, from my point of view, from my point of view. मेरी नज़र में यह योजना काम नहीं करेगी। From my point of view, this plan will not work. From my point of view, this plan will not work. उसी समय या साथ ही, at the same time, at the same time. वह मज़ेदार भी है और गंभीर भी। He is funny and serious at the same time. He is funny and serious at the same time. उदाहरण के लिए, for instance, for instance. कई जानवर रात में सक्रिय रहते हैं, उदाहरण के लिए उल्लू और चमगादड़। Many animals are nocturnal, for instance, owls and bats. Many animals are nocturnal, for instance, owls and bats. सारांश में, to sum up, to sum up। सारांश में हमारी यात्रा बहुत अच्छी रही। To sum up, we had a wonderful trip. To sum up, we had a wonderful trip। इसी बीच, in the meantime, in the meantime, खाना जल्दी ही तैयार होगा, इसी बीच तुम आराम कर लो। The dinner will be ready soon, in the meantime you can relax। The dinner will be ready soon, in the meantime you can relax। आखिरकार या आखिर में, after all, after all। आखिरकार यह केवल एक खेल है। After all, it is a game। After all, it is a game। परिणाम स्वरूप, as a result, as a result। उसने पढ़ाई नहीं की, परिणाम स्वरूप वह परीक्षा में फेल हो गया। He did not study, as a result he failed the exam। He did not study, as a result he failed the exam। इसीलिए, therefore, therefore। तेज बारिश हो रही थी, इसीलिए हम घर पर ही रहे। It was raining heavily, therefore we stayed at home। It was raining heavily, therefore we stayed at home। इसी वजह से, that's why, that's why। मैं थका हुआ था, इसी वजह से बाहर नहीं गया। I was tired, that's why I did not go out। I was tired, that's why I did not go out। सच कहूँ तो या वास्तव में, as a matter of fact, as a matter of fact। सच कहूँ तो मैंने पहले ही अपना होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया है। As a matter of fact, I have already finished my homework। As a matter of fact, I have already finished my homework। ईमानदारी से कहूँ तो, to be honest, to be honest। ईमानदारी से कहूँ तो मुझे वो फिल्म ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आई। To be honest, I did not really enjoy the movie। To be honest, I did not really enjoy the movie। दूसरे शब्दों में, in other words, in other words। दूसरे शब्दों में, हमें सफलता के लिए और मेहनत करनी होगी। In other words, we need to work harder to succeed। In other words, we need to work harder to succeed। दूसरी तरफ, on other hand, on other hand। मुझे सर्दी पसंद है, लेकिन ठंडी हवा नहीं। I like winter, on the other hand, I don't like the cold wind। I like winter, on other hand, I don't like the cold wind। वैसे, बाय द वे, बाय द वे। वैसे क्या तुमने मेरा फ़ोन देखा है? बाय द वे, हैव यू सीन माई फ़ोन? बाय द वे, हैव यू सीन माई फ़ोन? इसके अलावा, इन एडिशन, इन एडिशन। पढ़ाई के अलावा वह पार्ट टाइम काम भी करता है। In addition to studying, he also works part-time. In addition to studying, he also works part-time. और भी या साथ ही, moreover, moreover। होटल सस्ता है, साथ ही बहुत साफ सुथरा भी है। The hotel is cheap, moreover, it's very clean. The hotel is cheap, moreover, it's very clean. उसके अलावा, besides that, besides that। मैं बाहर नहीं जाना चाहता और वैसे भी बारिश हो रही है। I don't want to go out. Besides that, it's raining. I don't want to go out. Besides that, it's raining. इसके विपरीत, in contrast, in contrast। अपने भाई के विपरीत वह बहुत शांत है। In contrast to his brother, he is very quiet. In contrast to his brother, he is very quiet. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है, as far as I know, as far as I know। जहाँ तक मुझे पता है वह कल आ रही है। As far as I know, she is coming tomorrow. As far as I know, she is coming tomorrow. के अनुसार, according to, according to। खबर के अनुसार बारिश होगी। According to the news, it will rain. According to the news, it will rain. के साथ साथ, as well as, as well as। वह गाती भी है और नाचती भी है। She sings as well as dance. She sings as well as dance। इसीलिए, therefore, therefore। देर हो गई इसीलिए हम घर पर रहे। It was late, therefore we stayed home. It was late, therefore we stayed home। जब या जबकि, while, while। जब मैं खाना बना रहा था वह पढ़ रहा था। He was reading while I cooked. He was reading while I cooked। से या क्योंकि, since, since। मैंने उसे सोमवार से ही नहीं देखा। I have not seen him since Monday. I have not seen him since Monday। बाद में, after, after। लॉन्च के बाद शॉपिंग चलेंगे। We will go shopping after lunch. We will go shopping after lunch. पहले before. Before. खाना खाने से पहले हाथ धो. Wash your hands before eating. Wash your hands before eating. बावजूद. In spite of. In spite of. दर्द के बावजूद वह मुस्कुराया. He smiled in spite of the pain. He smiled in spite of the pain. जैसे कि. As if. As if. वह ऐसे बात करता है जैसे सब कुछ जानता हो. He talks as if he knows everything. He talks as if he knows everything. की वजह. Instead of. Instead of. बस लेने की वजह चलकर चलते हैं. Let's walk instead of taking a bus. Let's walk instead of taking a bus. जब तक. As long as. As long as. जब तक चाहो वहाँ रह सकते हो. You can stay here as long as you want. You can stay here as long as you want. जब तक नहीं. Unless. Unless. जब तक कोशिश नहीं करोगे नहीं सीखोगे. You won't learn unless you try. You won't learn unless you try. चाहे. Even if. Even if. चाहे मैं व्यस्त रहूं फिर भी मदद करूंगा. I will help you even if I am busy. I will help you even if I am busy. ताकि. So that. So that. धीरे बोलो ताकि मैं समझ सकूं. Speak slowly so that I can understand. Speak slowly so that I can understand. अगर ऐसा हो. In case. In case. अगर बारिश हो जाए तो छतरी ले लो. Take an umbrella in case it rains. Take an umbrella in case it rains. केवल इसीलिए. Just because. Just because. केवल असफल होने के कारण उदास मत हो. Don't be sad just because you failed. Don't be sad just because you failed. जैसे ही. As soon as. As soon as. जैसे ही पहुँचो मुझे कॉल करना. Call me as soon as you reach. Call me as soon as you reach. की स्थिति में. In case of. In case of. आपात स्थिति में मुझे कॉल करें. Call me in case of an emergency. Call me in case of an emergency. इसके बावजूद. In spite of the fact that. In spite of the fact that. बारिश होने के बावजूद हम खेले. In spite of the fact that it was raining we played. In spite of the fact that it was raining, we played. के अलावा, apart from, apart from. अंग्रेजी के अलावा वह हिंदी बोलती है. Apart from English, she speaks Hindi. Apart from English, she speaks Hindi. के परिणाम स्वरूप, as a result of, as a result of. उसके मेहनत की परिणाम स्वरूप वह जीत गया. He worked hard. As a result of that, he won. He worked hard. As a result of that, he won. तब भी, even then, even then. वह बीमार था तब भी काम पर गया. He was sick. Even then he went to work. He was sick. Even then he went to work. जबकि, whereas, whereas. उसे कॉफ़ी पसंद है जबकि मुझे चाय. She likes coffee whereas I like tea. She likes coffee whereas I like tea. जब भी, whenever, whenever. जब भी फुर्सत मिले कॉल करना. Call me whenever you are free. Call me whenever you are free. एक बार, once, once. एक बार सीख लो फिर आसान है. Once you learn it, it's easy. Once you learn it, it's easy. जैसे कि, as though, as though. वह ऐसे मुस्कुराया जैसे रहस्य जानता हो. He smiled as though he knew the secret. He smiled as though he knew the secret. फिर भी, even so, even so. बारिश हो रही थी फिर भी हम बाहर गए. It was raining. Even so we went out. It was raining. Even so we went out.